Okay guys, let's begin our discussion over the questions. The first question is, if sine inverse of this expression plus sec inverse of the same expression is pi by 2, then the value of 2 sec inverse of x by 2 plus sine inverse of x by 2 is what? Now over here, if you can very easily identify, this is x plus 1 whole square. So under root of x plus 1 whole square becomes just x plus 1. So what are you given is nothing but sine inverse of x plus 1 plus sec inverse of x plus 1 is pi by 2. So you are left with sec inverse of x plus 1 is pi by 2 minus sine inverse of x plus 1, which is cos inverse of x plus 1. If these both expressions are equal, suppose they are equal to y, what do I get is basically x plus 1 is sec y and x plus 1 is cos y. From here what do you get? You get 1 upon cos y equals cos y. So basically cos square y is 1 or cos y is plus minus 1. But cos y is equal to x plus 1, so x plus 1 is plus minus 1. If x plus 1 is 1, then x is 0, but it is written that x is not equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to minus 1, which makes it x as minus 2. And if x is minus 2, what is this given expression? Sec inverse of minus 2 by 2, that is sec inverse of minus 1 plus sine inverse of minus 2 by 2, which is again minus 1. This gives you, this is twice of, so this gives you 2 pi minus pi by 2, which is 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi by 2. So your answer is 3 pi by 2. Next question says what? It says that if alpha is thrice of sine inverse 6 by 11 and beta is this, where the inverse trigonometric functions are only the principal values, then the correct option is what? So only the principal values are being allowed. What is or what are the correct options? Okay. 4 by 9, very easily you know 4 by 9 always lies between 0 and 1 by 2. In this particular range, cos inverse is a decreasing function. So I can write this as cos inverse of 4 by 9 is greater than cos inverse of 1 by 2 and is less than cos inverse of 0. So here what do you get is, this becomes pi by 3 is less than cos inverse of 4 by 9 is less than pi by 2. What do you want is thrice of cos inverse 4 by 9. So thrice of cos inverse 4 by 9 is less than 3 pi by 2 and is greater than pi. From pi to 3 pi by 2, this is what is your beta. Beta is lying between pi to 3 pi by 2, and therefore because beta is in pi to 3 pi by 2 range, this implies sine beta is negative and cos beta is negative, right? In this range from pi to 3 pi by 2, sine and cos both are negative, right? So for beta, I can say yes, sine beta is definitely negative. If I talk about the other alpha, I know 6 by 11 lies between 1 by 2 and 1 by root 2. And sine inverse in this range is increasing. So I can say this is sine inverse 1 by 2 less than sine inverse 6 by 11 less than sine inverse 1 by root 2. Now sine inverse 1 by 2 is actually pi by 6. So pi by 6 is less than sine inverse 6 by 11 is less than pi by 4. Clear? So here what do you actually need is thrice of this. So thrice of this, and thrice of this. So this basically leaves you with pi by 2. This becomes pi by 2, and this is what is your alpha. Alpha is lying between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 4. So what about alpha? I can definitely say cos alpha is negative. So yes, cos of alpha is definitely negative. Fine. And if I add both these values, see this is beta, this is alpha. So alpha plus beta will be less than 3 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 4, which makes it what? 6 plus 3, 9 pi by 4. And it is pi plus pi by 2, which is 3 pi by 2. In this range, if alpha plus beta is lying, very clearly cos of alpha plus beta is positive. Understood? Let's look at the next question. We have that if the numerical value of tan of cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 2 by 3 is a by b, then what is the very values related to a and b? Let's talk about them now. Focus over this. Cos inverse 4 by 5. If I take cos inverse 4 by 5 as alpha, very conveniently I can say 4 by 5 is cos alpha. I know that 1 plus tan square alpha is sec square alpha. So tan square alpha is sec square alpha minus 1. Tan alpha is under root sec square alpha minus 1 or 1 upon cos square alpha minus 1. But cos alpha is 4 by 5. So this becomes 5 by 4 whole square minus 1, which is 25 minus 16 by 16, that is 9 by 16, so 3 by 4. I want to get the value of tan of this plus this. So if I want to get the value of tan of this plus this, tan of a plus b, it is what? It is tan a, tan of cos inverse 4 by 5, that is tan of alpha, tan a plus tan of tan inverse 2 by 3, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Right? Tan alpha is what? 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 whole upon 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So you have what? This becomes 9 and 8, 17 by 12 whole upon, this becomes 1 minus 1 by 2. What is this? If you want to take, this is 1 minus 6 by 12, and 12 minus 6 gives you what? 6. 6 by 12. So you basically get 17 by 12 whole upon 6 by 12, which gives you 17 by 6. Right? This is given as equal to a by b. So you basically get that a is 17 and b is 6. A plus b is 23, and also 3 times b is a plus 1, and also a minus b is 11. You know 17 minus 6 is 11. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Clear? Next question, let's see what is it. Match the entries in column 1 with the entries in column 2. Let's see what is this trying to say. Now over here it says that tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse 4 will be matched to what? Now over here students commit a major mistake. 3 is positive, 4 is positive, and 3 into 4 is 12, which is greater than 1. Not just positive, greater than 1. So tan inverse a plus tan inverse b will be pi plus tan inverse a plus b upon 1 minus ab, right? So what will that be? Pi plus tan inverse a plus b upon 1 minus a into b. This is pi plus tan inverse 7 by minus 11 or minus outside. Tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse of theta. So pi minus tan inverse of 7 by 11 is what is a matched to? A is matched to basically q. Clear? Then you have tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 4. Over here pi is not going to come into action. Directly it will be what? Tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Fine. So this becomes tan inverse of 4 plus 3 7 whole upon This is 12 minus 1, 11. So 7 by 11. So B goes to R. Then you have sine inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse 1 by 3 is very clearly pi by 2. And tan inverse 3 plus cot inverse 4. Now 4 is positive, so I can write cot inverse 4 as tan inverse 1 by 4. So you have tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 4. Again the same formula, tan inverse 3 plus 1 by 4 whole upon 1 minus 3 into 1 by 4. This becomes 13 and this becomes 1, so you get 13 upon 1 which is 13. So tan inverse 13, that is S. Clear? Moving to the next question, we have statement 1 is that if x is belonging to 1 by 2 to 1 closed interval, that cos inverse x minus sine inverse of this expression is equal to minus pi by 3 or not, and also about the statement second. So over here, very conveniently, I can see that if I take x equals cos theta, what is the situation going to turn out to be? If I take x equals cos theta, I know it is lying between 1 by 2 to 1. I basically get that theta is lying between 0 and pi by 3. Not a problem. Now, if I take x as cos theta, what is this? This is cos inverse of cos theta minus sine inverse of, let's begin, cos theta by 2, or I can say 1 by 2 cos theta plus, now from here 3 is going to come out common, so root 3 by 2 you are left with, plus root 3 by 2 into under root of 1 minus x square. So if x is cos theta, then x square is cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta, under root 1 minus cos square theta is under root sine square theta, which is sine theta. So this becomes sine theta. So this is what? Sine of pi by 3, isn't it? Sine of pi by 3 cos theta plus cos of pi by 3 sine theta. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. This becomes just theta minus sine inverse of sine of theta plus pi by 3. So this becomes theta minus pi by 3, which is minus pi by 3. So this statement is very much a true statement. In a very similar fashion, here if I take x equals sine theta, what do I get? Let's see. Let's take x equals sine theta, and it is given to me that it is lying in minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So very clearly theta is lying between minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Clear? So over here if I take x equals sine theta, I am left with sine inverse of 2 sine theta into under root 1 minus sine square theta, which is under root cos square theta, which is cos theta. So this becomes sine inverse of sine 2 theta, which is 2 theta, and theta is sine inverse x. So this gives you 2 sine inverse x. Both the statement are true, right? But neither is first implying the second or second implying the third, but they both are true. Next question says that fx is given to you. In terms of inverse trigonometric functions, fx is given to you, a and b are given to you, and then there are questions following the same. Understand now, it is saying for what value of x is fx equals 0. Fx is equal to 0. Let's put fx equals 0. You get sine of cot inverse of x plus 1. If this is equal to 0, that means this expression is equal to cos of tan inverse x. Right? Cos of tan inverse x. So this becomes what? You know the identity. This is sine inverse of 1 upon under root 1 plus x plus 1 whole square. Right? And this is equal to cos of, this is cos inverse of 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. Obviously sine of sine inverse is this only, cos inverse of this is this only. So you get 1 upon under root 1 plus x plus 1 whole square equals 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. When you resolve this, you get x is minus 1 by 2. That means fx is 0 for x equals minus 1 by 2, and your answer is option A. Fx is 0 for x equals minus 1 by 2. If fx is 0 means that if x is minus 1 by 2, then a square is equal to what? Okay, what is a? Let's see. A is basically cos of tan inverse of sine of cot inverse x. Okay. So one guarantee is there that x is equal to minus 1 by 2, because second part, the 7th question said that fx is 0. So let's write down A. A is cos of tan inverse of sine of cot inverse x, right? And you know that x is minus 1 by 2. I am interested in a square being equal to what? Now you know sine of cot inverse x. This is cos of tan inverse of sine of cot inverse x. Just now we did, it came out to be under root 1 upon under root 1 plus x square, and this becomes what? 1 upon under root 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x square, right? The moment you have a being equal to this, just resolve this, you get 1 plus x square plus 1. So you get under root 1 plus x square upon under root 1 plus x square plus 1, that is 2 plus x square is a. So a square is what? Therefore a square is 1 plus x square upon 2 plus x square. And x you know is minus 1 by 2, because fx equals 0 is given to you. So what is a square? It becomes 1 plus 1 by 4 whole upon 2 plus 1 by 4, which is 5 by 9. So your answer is that a square is nothing but 5 by 9. Clear? Next you have what? You have if a square is 26 by 51. So a square is actually 1 plus x square upon 2 plus x square. This is given to you as 26 by 51. Right? That means 51 plus 51x square is equals to 52 plus 26x square. Fine? This comes out to be what? This comes out to be 51x square minus 26x square is 25x square equals 52 minus 51 is 1. So x comes out to be plus minus 1 by 5. For x equals plus minus 1 by 5, b is what? Let's see what was b and get the value of b squared then. Okay. So what is my b? Let's see. B is given to be as cos of 2 cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Now 2 cos inverse x can be written as cos inverse x plus cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is pi by 2. And cos of pi by 2 plus theta is minus sin theta. And this can be very conveniently written as this. So what is b square? B square is 1 minus x square. X is this. So you get 1 minus 1 by 25, which gives you 24 by 25, and that is what is your answer for the 8th question, which is 24 by 25. Clear? Next question says what? Let's see. It says that if y is sine of cot inverse x and x is 99, then 9802 times y square is equal to what? Okay, so integer type question, let's try to tackle this. Y is sine of cot inverse x. We just did, this means y is equal to 1 upon root over 1 plus x square. Right? So root over 1 plus x square is 1 by y. Therefore, 1 plus x square is 1 by y square. If x is given as 99, then 1 plus 99 whole square is 9802 equals 1 by y square. Therefore, 9802y square is 1. So, the integer which follows this is 1. Clear? Next question is, if sine inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z is 3 pi by 2, then the value of this expression is equal to 8730 minus alpha, where alpha is what? Okay, so see, understand, you know sine inverse x function is basically greater than equal to minus pi by 2 and less than equal to pi by 2. So, max that it can achieve is pi by 2. You know that when I am adding all these 3 and I am getting 3 pi by 2, that is only possible when each one of them is pi by 2, right? No other option is there. Sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse z is pi by 2. This means x equals y equals z equals 1. You know this by the graph that sine inverse of 1 is actually pi by 2. So, if all these 3 are equal to pi by 2, only then can I get the sum equal to 3 pi by 2, right? That means only I can get this sum to be 3 pi by 2 when all these 3 x, y, z are equal to 1 each. So, what is this expression now? This becomes 3000 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3000 into 3, that is 9000, minus 816 upon 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is again 3. So, this becomes 9000 minus 272, which becomes 8728. And 8728 can be written as 8730 minus 2. And therefore, if they are saying that this is equal to 8730 minus alpha, then that alpha is actually equal to 2. It is alpha equals 2, therefore 8730 minus 2, that is 8728, is what is the value of this expression when this sum is equal to 3 pi by 2. Okay? So, practice all these questions very nicely. That's it from my side. Thank you.